Yes, hello guys, don't worry. I'm not being held at gunpoint, forced to make YouTube videos. I'm doing it out of my own volition yet. But who knows about future, what might happen. So, okay, as we have seen in previous videos, I have gone through process of writing code for twosome, and I was like pretty satisfied with it, and I was eating cheeseburger or something. But then I learned something shocking, and I could not believe it. Python is not the only programming language in the world. There are many more, and I got so shocked that I decided to make and another video about twosome in Java. And so let's go over it. So first of all, if you have watched my previous videos, you will get to know that I have solved it in three ways: wacky way, the brute force or best friend way, and the most optimal way. And in this video, let's go through all of those three ways in Java. So first, let's go through the wacky way. So yeah, the premise was that we would create a new two-dimensional array, fill it with indices as the first part and the value at the index as the second index of the new array, and then sort it and go through all the values, check for sum. If sum is greater than target, then decrement right pointer. If sum is equal to target, return the indexes, or if sum is less than target, then increment the left pointer. And let's do the same in Java. So first let's create, okay, some code as I have already written a line. Okay, let's continue with that. First of all, I have defined the new array sum, and in Java what we have to do in Java is first we have to pre-initialize all the values, and we can't do wacky stuff like we do in Python where we just put a bracket and tell okay this is array or something. So now since the new array is done, let's populate it with values. So first for loop, but we go through all the indexes till length of nums, and the way you do that is this can we do nums dot length whenever the given array is of type primitive. But if the given array was like oh my god, let me learn how to spell first. integer, yeah, array is equal to new. If it was like this, then we could obviously not do nums dot length, but we had to do nums dot size or a dot size. But yeah, that is just something that you guys could know if you are new to Java. And then yeah, incrementing the index and then populating the new array. Yeah, and like previous sum, the first index go to the first index of the two-dimensional array goes to the index, and the second element goes to the value. Yeah, this part is done, and don't forget to put this semicolon or else yeah, code will obviously not compile. And then again what we did is we sorted it using custom sorting function. In Python we used lambda, but in Java we used comparators. So yeah, we are using arrays because the given array is of type primitive and it is not from collections, so we can't use collection dot sort. Yeah, the name of the array and the custom sorting function a comma b, such that yeah, and then we define the comparator as yeah, and that we are comparing each value based on the first position. And I added an extra bracket over here. Position yes, get the position 1. And now what has happened is we have sorted the array based on the first index, and then now define two pointers. And yeah, don't forget the semicolon. Nums dot length -1 nums, yeah, nums dot length. And then again go while left is less than right, then calculate the sum. It is the new array at the position left, at the position 0, at the position 1, and position right at the index 0. I mean 1. Yep, now we have calculated the sum value and then doing the comparisons. If sum is equal to 2, then yeah, as we knew, we have to return the index, and we can't directly do like this I comma j or something, because yeah, we have to first declare it to be an array type. So new oh, that to be declared as new array of type integer, new int of like this, and then we have to get the first and the second index. And rather than typing it out, let me just copy it and paste it over here. Yeah, just be careful while you do copy and paste, and you are updating all the values properly. And it's else if, not elif. Yeah, now we have to check if sums is greater than target. Then yeah, obviously we have to decrement right pointer, or else what we do is increment the left pointer. Yeah, we can do like this, or we can do both will work, but hey, let's use Java specific things rather than other things. And one more thing about Java is that we have to have a return statement of type given over here. So, and even though the question tells that we exactly have one solution, we have to return something. So let me return something, new int of 0, 0 or something. Okay, now time to test it out, and let's see if it works. Oh my god, it works, can't believe it. And again submission, and as you see, since this is the vacuum way, it is not too much efficient, but yeah, it's not that bad also. Now after vacuum way, let's go through, now since vacuum way is done, now let's go through the brute force way, and after brute force let's go through the optimal way. Yeah, and brute force is straightforward. Again nums dot length, not size. There's no need to go from 0, but we can go from I plus 1, and then j goes till the end of the array. Again, yeah, be careful, don't do mistakes like this, it has to be lesser than less than. Again j plus plus, and calculate sums. J, and yes, if sums is equal to, then we can directly return the indexes, then return new int. I have explained why we have to do like this. What we are returning, I comma j. And yeah, again, since Java for any method declared in Java, it has to have a return type, we directly return some garbage value. Return new int -1 comma -1 or 0 comma 0, or let's do something like, let's do 1 million. And yeah, I'm just compiling to check if I made some dumb mistake, and lo and behold, it works. And yeah, the time complexity is obviously 45 milliseconds, as this is brute force way. Now let's go for the optimal approach. Let me reset the code rather than deleting it, because who knows, I may delete something important. Yeah, so what we have to do is, in Python we use dictionaries, but in Java the corresponding data structure is hash set on a hash map. And this is how you declare a hash map. We declare the name of what data structure we want to use, and then we will have to declare what type of data it holds, and we are holding integer. We have to be careful of one thing, we can't declare it like this. This is not allowed, as hash map belongs to collection, and yeah, obviously collection uses what do you tell, wrapper classes rather than primitive integers. So we have to use wrapper classes, and integer is the wrapper class of int, making it object oriented. So yeah, name of the array is what we'll call, like previously we will call it diff. And okay, and it is better to declare the type over here also. And then again iterating, again I'm repeating, it's nums.length not nums.size, mainly because over here the given data structure is of primitive type, but if it was of collections like array list and all, then we had to use nums.size. And then we have to do I++, and again calculate the difference. We calculated the difference, and then check if the difference exists in the hash map. So in Python we did if it's in diff, but yeah, we have to use Java specific term for this, and it is dot contains method. So if the difference, then obviously we have found our answer, so then we can return it as a new integer array of what will you return. Again I have explained it previously, that the position and the current index. So yeah, diff dot get the difference and then the current index I, or else what you have to do is you have to put the value in dictionary or in hash set over here. So diff dot put, at what will you put, again be careful, it's not the difference over here but the number which you are checking. So it is num set position I and the index I, and don't forget this one. And again Java, any method in Java must requires an return type. So return int -1, and again let's check it out once. Let me see if I have made some mistake or something, because no one is perfect. And yeah, see, okay, yeah, it should not be int because it should be integer. Yeah, so everyone will do mistakes, and the main thing what you have to do is not get disheartened by it, but push through it regardless of circumstances. And see, yeah, obviously it was a dumb mistake, int and integer. Okay, let me check it once. Cannot find symbol diff dot. Oh my god, yeah, it is not contains, it contains key. Yeah, we have to tell now what, is it key or is it value. Let me check. Int also should work now. Yeah, int or integer, it automatically wraps the number. So yes, and then on submitting, lo and behold, it's obviously very fast, as it is the most optimal solution. The time complexity of 2 milliseconds, and for brute force it was about 60, and for vacuum one it was 45. So yeah, thank you for watching, and in next video I'll put the solutions to this on in C language. So yeah, thank you.